To purchase a SIM on a travel website, start by searching for the website in your web browser. Click on the official website link, which will direct you to the home page. From there, click on the login button and enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll see various sections, including the home page, hotels and homes, transport, coupons and deals, apartments, and more. Click on the eSim option, which will redirect you to a partner website, as the service is not directly provided by the travel website. On this partner website, you can view plans and choose the eSim plan that suits your needs. With options including local, regional, and global SIMs. For regional SIMs, you can select a specific region, while local SIMs are available for individual countries. After completing your purchase, you can explore other features and options on the website.